I'm gonna go ahead and crack open this Desired Tools combination lock. It's pretty popular on Amazon, but let's see how much that popularity is warranted. I'm going to go ahead and decode it. That's true gate. How much movement that has. This wheel seems to be binding. Not that easy to decode, but with a skilled decoder like me, it shouldn't be that hard. Okay, let's go with 2 for now. And there we go. Let's change it again. I should note that the true gates on here have a ton of movement. Like they literally go past the line. Okay. Go with 1 there. Okay, that's probably 6. And there we go. So, it is decent. It took me a little more effort than you would expect. It's $10 on Amazon, but because I've been decoding locks for quite a bit, and it's not actually that difficult. But that's because I have experience. It might be okay for like a locker or something.